Hello viewers, welcome to Telugu Scit tutorials. This is normal HTML programming. In Marquee, background color and direction up. Today we are going to discuss about that. Before going to that, I am taking one notepad. In this notepad, just I am typing comment line, program on Marquee direction up, and that means right comma left comma in this program up, and scroll amount, etc. Close. This is actually so save, Ctrl S, go to desktop class HTML program, Marquee, as usually Marquee, left is over, now up .html. This is the program name, marup. So now we are going to type basic HTML elements. HTML, next head, next title, after title Marquee direction right to left to scroll amount. This is the title. Now I am pasting here. After this, title is closing. Title is closing. Next, head is closing. Next, body is going to begin. Now body close. Next, HTML close. These are the basic tags in every HTML program. Now coming to body. Here Marquee direction right to left to up. Coming to our documentation. Here first we have to go to Marquee tag direction right. This is the right program. Without typing, I am copying this up to here. Ctrl C, paste here in a notepad. Ctrl V. This is one. Ctrl S. After this, going to again this documentation. Now I am copying this Marquee busy color left up to Marquee ending. This. Now pasting in this program. After this, just paste. Now 2 is over. 1 is Marquee right. This is Marquee right. After this is Marquee left. Slide here. Here scroll. Next to scroll amount also I will give. Next I will give. In the last one. Up to this I save and go to this desktop. In the desktop class HTML program, today's program is Marquee up. This is the program. Open with click Google Chrome. These are the two. First one is right, next one is left. Go to this program. Those are moving very slowly. That's why I am going to give some here scroll amount is equals to some 20, like that, double quotation 20. In the same way, Ctrl S, go to this is left. I am giving here scroll amount here. Scroll amount. is equals to some double quotation 30 I am giving. I am giving 30. This is now Control S, Alt Tab, go to browser. Now click. What happened? This has stopped. What is the problem? Scroll amount. So just Control S, Alt Tab, go to here. No, it is going. Upper one is scroll amount 30. Lower one is it stopped there. What happened in this? Scroll amount left side by the slide akkadiki aagipotundi. Behavior slide scroll amount. Okay. Now in this present program we are going to discuss about that scroll amount up. That is the today's program's aim. So Marquee tag direction up. This is the code. I already typed in this. It will take more time. Video will take more time. That's why I already typed and copied here. Now I am copying this and paste in the this. Now Control V, Control S. Now we will see. This first one is right direction. Busy color light green. Behavior scroll amount is 30. Next coming to second one. This is busy color light blue. Direction left. Behavior slide. Scroll amount 20. This. Now present mark busy color violet. Direction up. Behavior alternate. Lucid sans. This is blue. Now Control S, Alt Tab. Here just refresh. This is up. That is from left to right. This is from right to left. So in this some problem is there. Those are all going, but this program here it is stopping. What is the reason? Slide I will remove this slide. Alternate I will put. Alternate I will put. Now Control S, Alt Tab. Go to browser, refresh. What will happen? We see. The middle one is stopping there only. Now I put alternate. S. It is going there and alternate again coming back and here it touches again it will go. This is alternate. Upper one is a scroll. Lower one also I think scroll only. This is direction up, behavior alternate. This is also alternate. Yes, this one. So up to this program we stop here. Next program we will continue. Now in this program what we discussed is from left to right, right to left, that is alternative. This is from down to up. In this program we continue. So thank you for watching. Ee class kintenandi. Thank you very much. Please subscribe.